Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to safely log out of the Bluevine mobile app. Logging out properly prevents unauthorized access to your Bluevine account, especially if you share or temporarily use a device. Here's how to do it. Step 1, open the Bluevine mobile app and ensure that you're on the dashboard. Next, tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines or dots in the top corner, and then scroll down and select Logout. Wait for the app to confirm that you've been signed out. You should return to the login screen. If you're on a shared or public device, also clear saved passwords from the browser or device settings. For extra security, you want to disable Remember Me or biometric login if you don't own the device. When finished, close the app entirely to prevent background access. By logging out correctly, you keep your Bluevine account secure and prevent unwanted logins. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.